Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I've got a bit of a unboxing for you guys for the pass-through power line adapter. And what this basically is you'll have this connected at your internet junction. Okay, so it'll grab the internet from, let's say in Australia you've got an NBN box. So it'll go from the NBN box into this, and what that'll do is it'll pass it through your power line, so through your house, and on the other end it can be any room in your house. You can plug this one in and you'll have wide internet up to a speed of 1300 megabits per second, which is a lot higher than what we can get in Australia at the moment. We can only get 1,000, and I say only because we can't get more than that, not as if that's really slow. So we get 1,000, we don't get 1,300, so this will cover that grandly. So let's get this unboxing underway. So this will give 3 connections on the other end, so you can connect maybe a PC, a printer, a Mac, something like that, or a television and all that stuff. Let's get this unboxing underway. So the box is nice and simple. By the way, sorry about the camera. I'm having camera issues at the moment and I've had to use my mic for everything. So today I'm going back to the old where I had started everything in this channel. So that was with Honest Straightforward Reviews and my handheld camera, which is my iPhone camera, and the mic on my iPhone. Let me know if it's much of a difference if you're a regular viewer in the comments, or if you're a new viewer, have a look at this and some of my other videos where it's a lot clearer and crisper, if there's any difference in the audio. So this is basically it. So this is what'll happen. So that's where the internet router is. You can even connect it directly to the modem. Okay, so you'll connect this, and then you'll basically up here you can connect a computer, 4K TV and whatnot upstairs where the signal might not be reaching. Okay, let's open this up. All right, bang. So straight off you've got very nicely presented. It's good to see they're not using any more plastic. There's no plastics around this thing. So this is the one that you'll have at the main point where the internet is, and this is where you'll have the internet going to. Okay, so that's how it'll look. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to have a run of this and see if you guys like that, don't like it. It comes with a couple of Ethernet cables as well. So let's see if these are any. Cat 5E. Okay, so not 6, just below that, which is not bad at all. That's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing to the end. Let me know if you've got any questions. Comment below. What do you think about the channel with this camera and the real camera and whatnot? Thank you so much for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.